Well, this is probably what a lot of you have been waiting for. Here we are sitting in the HCH2, my UK CVT £1,500 banger. I've got the OBDIIC&C plugged into the OBD port under the dash there. Got an extra wire for the Canbus, and as you can see, it's flashing away. And here we have the tap voltages on display for us. The bottom number, which is increasing very rapidly, counts up to 256. That's basically the refresh rate. I've set it at 100 milliseconds, so basically it's refreshing 10 times a second approximately. Canbus seems to be behaving. The car system seems to be okay with that. So that's a major breakthrough, getting Canbus to work, and you can see the voltage taps on my particular car. There's one or two quite high sticks there, and there's also one or two quite low ones, and this pack is pretty knackered. So there we go. I'll just show you quickly the back of the OBD. Obviously it's a bit of a mess, as you probably expect, but obviously we've got an OBD board on this. We've got a daughter board here which has got the Canbus transceiver chip, and we've upgraded the PIC to the new one. And there's a relay on here for switching over between the H line and the Canbus line, but I wouldn't probably put that. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to make a little tiny surface mount daughter board which can just be stuck onto this board here and then just wired in. I've reduced the number of pins that the LCD uses from 8 to 4, so that freed up the 4 pins that we needed for the Canbus transceiver section of the PIC. So basically it'll be a little tiny, won't have a transistor either, it'll be a little tiny board with the transceiver chip, filter capacitor, and a load resistor across the Canbus, and that'll probably be about it, and that'll be pretty easy to wire in, and you'll just need to upgrade the wire to a 6-wire cable instead of normal 5-wire, and probably just have a jumper on this little board, or put a jumper somewhere, so that basically jumper in one position equals Insight G1 with an H line type car, or other mode equals Canbus car. So you just put a jumper across, and obviously there's lots and lots of work to do on the software, but the main thing is that, as you can see, it's displaying the voltage taps quite happily at a very high refresh rate, and the car doesn't seem to be throwing any errors. There we are.